I'm Chong-Won with Gotta Be Mobile, and today at CES 2014 we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note Pro 12.2, which is a 12.2-inch tablet which comes with Samsung's S Pen based on Wacom's digitizing technology. The screen resolution is intensely high at 2560 by 1600 pixels, and the screen looks absolutely gorgeous. And even at a 12.2-inch display, it doesn't feel big thanks to a slim side profile, and Samsung actually kept the faux leather backing that debuted on the Galaxy Note 3 and the Galaxy Note 10.1 2014 edition, so it gives it a more premium feel while at the same time aiding in the gripability of the device. So when you're holding it, you're holding something that's warm and comfortable rather than a cold metal surface. In terms of the overall design and the UI, Samsung has migrated to this new magazine UX, which gives you a lot more information at a glance. So you have access to your Twitter feed, Facebook, your email. So it's essentially like a group of widgets. You still have a home screen that you can add shortcuts to. So if I tap and hold here, I can add app shortcuts or traditional widgets to this home screen comfortably. So if I want WebEx, don't want to do that. If I want the New York Times, all I would have to do is hold it, drag and drop, and I would have the shortcut here on the home screen. And then swipe over and I have the new gorgeous magazine UX, which is a lot more simple and a flatter UI. So here, when we're looking at the magazine UX, like on the Galaxy Tab Pro, you're not going to see any Chrome at the top. Swipe down and you're going to see the Android navigation bar. And then if you swipe down again, you're going to see flat icons. So you do have the widgets that are standard on Samsung's past TouchWiz UI, but they've been redesigned to look more modern and simple. This device does run on Android 4.4 KitKat, so it runs on the latest version of Android. Hi guys. The Note Pro 12.2 actually supports simultaneous multitasking, so it does support Samsung's multi-window view. And unlike previous editions, all you would have to do is swipe in from the right-hand side, push and hold, and then drag and drop, and it will launch the applications. You can launch up to 4 applications in this view. I'm going to just launch 3 right now, and then you can switch it, resize it, do whatever you want with these applications depending on how much space you need for the application. So you can focus on one big application, 2 smaller ones, and then you can also swap the windows around. And as you can see here, when you're swapping the windows around, it's very seamless and dynamic, so multitasking is very fluid and efficient. On the bottom here, Samsung did away with the menu key, so now you have a multitasking key, and you can just close the application by swiping up. The menu key has now been moved inside the application, so you can just tap in the corner and it will pull down additional menu options here, as you can see. And with the S Pen, you do have access to additional functionality. We've covered a lot of these functionality through the Air Command user interface in our review of the Galaxy Note 3 and the Galaxy Note 10.1 2014 edition. But essentially, if you're hovering the pen tip over the screen, pressing and clicking the side button, it will pull up this Radio Air Command menu where you can have additional features. So instead of running 2 applications side by side, you can run an application on top, or you can scrapbook and collate information and just create information really quickly and take screen grabs this way. And also with the Galaxy Note Pro 12.2, and also with all the 3 additional new Galaxy Tab Pros that Samsung has announced, there's a new mouse here that you can see, which will allow you to navigate the Android UI. So as you can see here, I have the mouse cursor when I moved the mouse, the hardware mouse, so you don't actually have to use the touchscreen itself, which is nice because now you can use the tablet as a display and then control it with the mouse. So if you click down, you can actually launch the applications, or it should launch theoretically. So this new mouse will launch at around the same time as the Galaxy Note Pro 12.2. So this has been a quick look of Samsung's Galaxy Note Pro 12.2, which is newly announced at CES 2014. I'm Chong-Won for Gotta Be Mobile. Thanks for watching, and join us on GottaBeMobile.com for additional CES coverage.